Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kilawin salmon. Start by choosing fresh salmon and gathering citrus, vinegar, onions, ginger, and chili for a balanced cure. Trim skin and pin bones, then slice into bite-sized pieces about 1 inch thick for even curing. Mix citrus juice with a splash of vinegar, salt, and sugar, then pour over the salmon and set aside to marinate briefly. Gently press the citrus vinegar mix into the salmon so each piece is coated and resting in a single layer. Let it cure for 10 to 20 minutes, checking texture for a slightly firm but tender bite. Toss in sliced onions and grated ginger halfway through to soften sharpness and release aroma. Finish with chopped chili and a pinch of salt, tasting and adjusting until the flavor feels balanced and bright. When the salmon reaches your desired cure, drain away excess liquid so the dish presents clean and not watery. Finishing touches like a small drizzle of toasted sesame oil or a splash of soy sauce add savory depth without overpowering the citrus. Garnish with chopped scallions or cilantro for freshness and plate with steamed rice or crunchy crackers to contrast the silky fish and enhance every bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.